Okay, so the first step is installing Node, and I'm pretty sure that you already have Node installed on your computer, but if you don't, we need to use Node. So first, you need to go to node.js.org, and you're gonna get this screen, and right here you're gonna get two options. If you're on Windows, you're gonna get a different option, but you know, same idea. So if you want, you can install this or you can install this. Either version are gonna work, right? But you know, I would recommend to use this one because it's recommended for most users. You know, it's the most stable one. So after you click it, it's gonna give you the download. So you just download the package, and after it's done, you need to, of course, click and run it. I'm not gonna do it because I've already have it. So once it's done, after you complete the installation, you need to go to the terminal. So if you're on Mac, just the command space and type terminal. And if you're on Windows, go to the search icon and type CMD to open the command prompt. And how can we check that, Node.js is running in our computer? Really simple. What you can do is type the word node -v. So this is the version. It's going to print the version of Node. So if I press enter, it's telling me that I have the 8.6, so I'm a little bit behind. So this one, it still works. So if on Mac, if you install it, this is gonna work perfectly. Now on Windows, after you install, you do all the installation and everything else, and you do this and nothing is working, you will need to restart the computer and then try again, and for sure it's gonna work, but you will need to restart the computer. All right. You know, really simple for Node. And the installation of Node for this is going to be really simple, but the next sections, we need to install the React Native tools, and that's not going to be that simple. I want to show you the editor, the IDE I'm going to use for this course. Right, so the IDE I'm going to be using for this course is going to be Visual Studio Code. Why am I using this one? It's because it works really good and it's free. Anyone can use it, and that's very important, that it's free and it's very good. And if you don't believe that it's really good, you know, it's from Microsoft. Microsoft made this, and I believe it's the only good thing that they made that works really great. And Excel, of course. So if you type Visual Studio, and you're gonna get this. So go to that web page. And you're gonna get, of course, four options, and this is the one you need, Visual Studio Code. Download for Mac in my case, or you can download for Windows. Okay, so this is the one I'm gonna be using. Of course, you can choose to use whatever IDE you wish. You know, they are all gonna work. Now with this one, I have some plugins installed for this. So I have the auto close tag and some other things, like the React code snippets. So React Native snippets, I have this one. If you are using Visual Studio Code, this snippet, you know, this plugin is gonna make your life easier. Right, so this is the one I'm gonna be using. Again, you can choose to use whatever you wish, but if you use this one, everything is gonna be easier for you because you're gonna be watching the same editor in your computer and on the video window. And this editor, now most editors, they already have this, but if you're a Windows user, if you're a Mac user, you can use the terminal just like this. You're not gonna get any problem because the terminal works really great. But for Windows, sometimes the terminal, it doesn't work. It's really hard to work with. So what you can go to View inside the IDE, you know, the Visual Studio Code, and you have an integrated terminal. So with this, it's going to automatically navigate to the root of your project. If you have a folder opened, it's going to navigate automatically to that location. So it's much easier than just using the default CMD. All right, so let's go to the next section. We can install the React Native tools.